Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about my favorite part of my DODL 5E lesson plan. My partner and I struggled a little bit trying to understand how exactly the E's worked, how to make it more student-centered, and I feel like in this E particularly, we were on a better understanding of how to do this portion of the lesson plan. So basically, I don't want to scroll too fast. I don't want to make you guys dizzy. But first, we have some dialogue. Students are being asked questions about geographical features. But then as we scroll down a little, we start asking the students that we want them to talk about certain features in certain regions. And so they actually start doing some of the research themselves. This is something we didn't get to do in our face-to-face instruction time when we had to do our teaching portion because it was so time consuming. But basically what it was we were going to have students work together, figure out some information about certain features in certain regions, and then they would be switching off partners so that they could tell each other a little bit of what they learned. And it was I think this was like the perfect example of like what student-centered teaching should be, or student-centered learning should be. It should be a lot more of us as educators aiding them with the instructions and the structure of what we need them to do, but allowing them to take that step and try to figure out how they wanted to go about it. I don't think we had any restrictions as far as like how much information they had to find, or where they had to find their info from. However, I think that in the real classroom setting, teachers have to be walking around ensuring that although you want to give them that freedom to kind of venture off and find the information on their own, you also don't want to make sure that they are in the right path and not, Googling off of websites that may not be the most reliable or the most resourceful. So yes, explanation would have to be my favorite part. However, I don't know if this is considered part of our lesson plan. I think for me, what helped the best was the metacognitive statements. Reading like the first ones we did, and then like we even in our last E, we still had to go back in and like do some changes. So seeing how our thinking of this lesson plan changed throughout the weeks really like impacted me. I didn't realize how much we had learned over the weeks, and having those statements there to go back to and review really was really great. And so that's the other part of my lesson plan that I really liked. Thank you.